Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Hyundai IONIQ 5. This is the Ultimate Edition as well. It does have a 73 kilowatt per hour battery. As you can see, you've got full LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. You've got 4 front parking sensors, and then you've also got these brilliant 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get a nice idea of the design pattern you do actually get. But moving around to the rear, as you'll notice, you do also have LED tail lights as well. We've then got 4 rear parking sensors and a nice little reversing camera just up here. You've then got a full electric opening tailgate as well. You just press the button in below. You just press the button below like so, and the electric tailgate will open up automatically. You then get this brilliant little tonneau cover which does ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate, and then you can fold the seats down flat and they will fold flat with the boot. Again, you just come up to the top, press the button, and it will drop down like so. You then, on the rear here, you just tap this little grid and the filler cap will open like so, as you can see there, which will then reveal your rapid charger as well. So you just pull that out and you can plug everything in just there, and to close it back up, just press this little button here and it will drop back down. Now just showing you the rear alloy just here. As you can see, in the rear of the car you do get the full black leather interior like so. You then get ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom and plenty of room in the rear compartment. You also get heated rear seats as well. Moving into the front of the car now, you get an electric driver's and electric passenger seat. You've got 2 USB ports down here. You then also have your climate control in the middle with all your various options for heated rear window, windscreen heaters, and so on and so forth. This can also be controlled via the touchscreen display, as you can see just there. Then on here you've got your parking sensors off, you've got your parking camera just here so you can see behind you. You've then got your tune, so which means you can obviously select between the various radio stations. You've then got your favourite button just there. You can go into your media, which is, like I said, it is your audio sources. You've then also got satellite navigation, which you tap to go on map with, and then it will also pull that up. It does also have the ability to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, and mode, which does cycle through your audio functions just there. And then the button on the right does control which radio station you listen to. You've then got your drive select just here, which has eco, normal, and sports. And then over on the right hand side, you do have your lane keep assist, distance control, and many more. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, as you can see just there. And as you can see in the bottom right, we have got 6,829 miles. And then you do also have your gear selector just down at the bottom there. You get full Bose audio and full blue ambient lighting as well. But just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Hyundai IONIQ 5, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.